picked this car on a nice little POV drive. Give you guys a little bit of introduction before. For those of you who do not know the channel familiar, this is my 2020 BMW M340 rear-wheel drive. Has Dynon springs, stock suspension, spacers, which doesn't really do much. We got intake by MST, provided by Keys Motorsports. Go check it out and get your intake from there. Tire Motorsports catalyst downpipe. Metal pipe is metal pipe. I just say grab the cheapest one that bolts up. This one was $300. VRSF has one too, but they are missing the bolt up into the stock plant locations. That's one thing. And yeah, last but not least, just EcuTech Mic tune. You can tell I have a little bit of janky wiring set up. That is the Burger Motorsports flex fuel sensor. That just tells me exactly how much E is in the car. There are other ways. You can do that using motor reflex where the car calibrates. My car does not calibrate. I have to manually switch the maps. That's just what I did at the time. And yeah, it works perfectly fine for me. You could look at some of the old videos and it'll show you the exact ethanol content. Mikey told me from the jump, like, you know, this is the kill map. You don't run it all the time. I ran it all the time. I got good results with it. This sucker, 673 pound-feet torque is a lot. But yeah, right now, we're just gonna go ahead and do a couple POV drives. Just wanted to walk you through the car a little bit. We'll go up. See why I say you don't need to press the brake on the second? I don't know if the people are still out here from before, so I'm taking it easy. We got nobody out there, so we go a little harder going back. A little bit of understeer. because, you know, the car really did kick out a lot more. And, you know, spinning out when there's a tree on this side and a thing, that's what learning is for, you see? I'm glad you were able to take this ride with me. We could die together. Slight chance where things will go bad. And I don't have as much confidence in these tires as much as I have the Pilot Sport 4S's. This car masks speed so well, you can't tell exactly how fast you're going. I mean, you can look at the speedometer, but it doesn't feel that bad. It doesn't feel that dangerous. That was fun. This is really what these cars are about, you know? And driving them, enjoying them. I think BMW did a good job by making this car what it is and handling the way it can. I think BMW did a really good job with that, to be 100% honest with you. Sorry for the shaky cam, but yeah, I think you got to give them credit where credit is due, because this thing is a monster. I like it, love it. It's on 93. Speed isn't the name of the game here. I'll stop at this stop sign and talk a little bit more, but speed isn't the name of the game with this car when you're taking it in turns like this. Just so how well the G chassis can handle over the F chassis. I wouldn't be able to take, and this is me speaking, I wouldn't be able to take an F80 even in stock form and feel comfortable enough to do that. I might keep it like efficient mode with all the nannies on. I'm pretty sure you can do it. I'm not saying that you can't, especially the competition versions, but this car right here, for just the average Joe, me, jumping in the car, taking this thing to the track with stock suspension, you know, dining springs, but nothing crazy. This car does not have the crazy stuff that you need in order to have so much fun. Might not get the best lap times, or, you know, someone even asked me in the comment section, the G20 versus the F30, since the F30 is a little bit lighter. And I took a step back and I thought about it for a second. It is theoretically lighter, but we're talking about squeezing maximum performance, like crazy times. And I'll be honest with you, if you want to make a car that can excel and just beat everything on the planet, you're gonna have to sacrifice reliability. And that's something that we can't do in our daily drivers, but one thing that we can do is have fun. I've seen people have fun in Miatas, I've seen people have fun in Ferraris, and I'll be honest with you, this car is perfect as is for what it is. You throw a tune on there, if you want to get straight line performance, you can get straight line performance, but you might want to turn it down a little bit when you want to take the corners. This is a rear wheel drive model, not all wheel drive, so it doesn't necessarily take the straightaways as good, but corners, I think it does really perform really nice. Doesn't really understeer like that. 225 front tires. If I would upgrade the tires to 255s like I'm used to, I'm for certain I could kill it on there. 275s in the back. That'll be my ideal setup. I just haven't found wheels that I like that much for the car to be able to spend that much money and keep it and sell the car later. So yeah, I think that about concludes it. Car's fun. I encourage all of you guys, whether you lease it or finance it or whatever you do to your car, go out and drive and enjoy it before you spend money on modifications, because you never know. The car could be perfect the way it came from the dealership. Highly doubt it. You might need to add a couple of little things, but yeah, nice. We almost lost my life like twice. We almost lost our life like twice. Oh, E39 M5? Nah, that's not an M5 for real. Let me see. Is that a real M5? They got a G20 back there too. Nah, I don't think that's a real M5 though. It looks like they got the dyno wheels on it. Nice little package though. You think the car would make it out of here if I park in here or no? Ooh, look at that. That car looking sick. That looking sexy, yo. Look, I thought that was copper pipes. I thought I seen copper pipes over there. About to say, we just came up. Come over here with the truck. Copper, chopper. Looking good. Dirty. Get my phone to take a shot. We're gonna close this one out, but thank you guys for watching. Get out now. Okay.